Kiln drying is essential when building a new log and timber frame home. In this quick 2-minute video, we'll show you why it matters, how it protects your investment, and what makes Golden Eagle's kiln drying process different from the rest.
What we're doing is we're mechanically drying that log. We're pre-stressing and shrinking that log, making it more stable and predictable throughout the lifespan of that structure. We're bursting the cells to reduce the moisture. What we're accomplishing mainly is that log is going to become more predictable, more stable throughout its lifetime.
One of the things that Lucas had hit upon was the bursting of the water cells. By eliminating the moisture that's in the wood, we get it down to 19% moisture. It's going to allow the log wood to accept more stain and be much more efficient.
Yeah, and by bursting those water cells, we're effectively making the logs lighter, save money on shipping. The builder's definitely going to thank you. You know, if you've got a big 10 by 10 or 12 by 12 log that we're taking all that water out of, the gallon of water is 8 pounds, and if the average house is 3,000 feet of log, you know, you're taking a lot of weight out of that shipment and out of that home.
Some states and provinces like Canada won't even allow you to ship logs, timbers, lumber, wood products into their states if it doesn't meet the Phyto-Sanitary requirements. Our heat treat kiln drying process meets or exceeds those Phyto-Sanitary requirements. So, you know, that log or timber may look nice and clean, but there still may be little microorganisms or bugs in there if it isn't heat treat kiln dried like ours is. So our products are gonna, like I said, meet or exceed any of those requirements to ship it into those states or into Canada.
Perfect setup before we even get involved with the kiln drying aspect is that we're harvesting these logs during the wintertime when the sap is down in the roots yet. They're not up in the tree. So the trees aren't as moist if they would be harvested at any other time of the year.
Yeah, I mean, that's going to reduce the time that it's going to be air drying in our yard and reduce the time that it's going to be in the kiln. With the demand of our log and timber homes recently, we still needed that extra space, and we recently added a second kiln. I mean, that's how important we feel that kiln drying is, as we invested into a second kiln. That's a huge, huge infrastructure investment.
Ready to start planning your dream home? Visit goldeneagleLogandTimberHomes.com or give us a call. We're here to help you every step of the way.